There's a street rod to check out. Take a look at this. 1947 Ford Super Deluxe convertible street rod. And hey, for you Ford fans, listen to this. Ford on Ford. 302 powered underneath the hood that is paired up with a C4 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. Also has disc brakes up front. Let you get a good look at this front end. You can see the bright work. Grille chrome. Also the Frenched in headlights and marker lights. Great looking front end on this car. This car's actually been with the same owner for the past 23 years, so it has been very well taken care of and loved by that gentleman. Two-tone paint with kind of a tricolor breaking it up. Let me show you a little closer. So you got the navy blue, indigo or navy blue top with the silver, and then of course kind of a tricolor, like I said, just a slight orange or burnt orange, fuchsia, or kind of a, I don't know what you'd call it, kind of a plum, and then another light blue. So just a subtle but nice look on this paint. Interior, cloth and leather combination, kind of a gray blue heather and blue leather and carpeting, and then of course painted dash. We'll get around to the other side. Let's check out the gauge cluster when we start it up, show you how that works. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see up and down the passenger side of this, pretty much free of nicks, dings, scratches. You might find one tiny one here or there, just a little one right down there. But overall, again, you can tell it's well taken care of. There is a tool for removing the wheels, for getting that center cap off of there. That is in the trunk along with a front end cover. Also a space saver spare and a socket wrench in there for getting the lug nuts off. To take a look at the rear, chrome bumper, a little more of that custom pinstriping like there was on the hood also. You can see that color scheme runs the entire 360 around the car. A couple other things I wanted to notice. Take a look at the Frenched in taillights. Great look on this car. And then as far as opening the trunk and the hood, there's a couple T handles that you pull. First off, let me show you where the trunk is. You'd open the gas door and you'd reach right here and you can feel a T handle pull. Pull that will release the trunk. Same idea up front as far as on the hood, only that one is kind of right behind, if you can picture, right behind this marker light. You would reach up here and I can feel it right there. Pull and the hood release. And we're going to pop the hood. Let's check out the engine here in just a little bit when we get it running. Now as far as the doors, those have an electronic solenoid with a push button right behind this door seam, if you will. And what you want to do is you can actually do it with your foot, push up on it right there, and it will pop it. So, and you can do that on the passenger side also. So yeah, right behind this door seam and fender quarter underneath, and you'll feel a little rubber button. Push that up and it will pop. All right, check out the interior. There's kind of your heather blue gray along with the blue leather. Video gauges, AC and fan controls right here. Tilt column, as you can see. This seat has a long range of travel too, as far as from the front to the rear, so it can accommodate shorter or taller folks. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Make sure we're in park. And again, remember, 302 powered. All right, there's your gauge cluster. Video gauges, as I mentioned before, I believe. Sony AM/FM CD player. Wiper dial or switch is right underneath, right here. So to the right of the column, underneath the dash. Got that pinstripe carrying through on the interior also. Just take a look at the seats. Again, kind of a heather blue-gray combo with leather and cloth. It is a power top also. I might as well show you that while we're back here. It is a power top. Here's your power top switch right here. Just stand by the car or reach back from the driver's seat, run the top up and down. It is blue cloth, does have a rear glass window. And when we get done showing you engine, we're gonna run that top up. Let's check that out too. So slip around to the back. Let's hear that 302. Nice little rumble coming out of that. All right, I'm gonna slip up here, pause this 1 second. Take me 2 hands, get this hood open, put up, and we'll check that out. Do need a prop rod for the hood, so I wanted to show that. That is my prop rod here. It will not be going along with the car, FYI. All right, aluminum radiator. Again, 302, paired up with a C4 automatic transmission, MSD, electronic ignition. You do have an Edelbrock carb on there, along with an Edelbrock Performer RPM intake. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. You can see and hear how smooth that 302 runs. So nice looking engine bay. Also performing well underneath there. Sounds good. All right, I'm gonna button this up as far as the hood goes and turn it off here a second. I want to run that top up so you can get a look at that too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here's the top up, and again, cloth top. Obviously blue in color to match the navy blue in the car. And again, you can see this in the still pictures. Now again, it's a nice thing, this car isn't chopped. So you do have some ample headroom in here. A lot easier to see out. A lot easier to drive. And as you can see, the top is not full of rips, holes, tears, much wear at all. Again, you have a car like this, top stays down most of the time. Enjoy the sun, open feeling of the road, no wind in your hair. All right, rear glass also, not plastic, so it is rear glass. But if you do need to put up the top or keep yourself dry, it's going to serve the purpose just fine, as you can see. There you go. You're looking for a cool convertible street rod that you're not going to see every day. There it is, 1947 Ford Super Deluxe convertible street rod. And hey, Ford on Ford power, 302 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.